I did my graduation from like very, because of the financial crunches. When I did my 12th, I was also interested for IITs and ITs, but there were two problems with me. First, the financial crunches, and obviously people can crack it by their own itself, but
Right.
obviously they are very very exceptional cases, and I
Mm-hmm.
was not that good in academics or the subjects. So obviously I would have needed a good coaching, and obviously for that I had to spend good amount of money, and that was not possible. So, and the second was I was very very scared about the the competitive exams like IEEE, IITs,
Mm-hmm.
UPTO, something like that. So I dropped that idea. I just asked my dad that I'll join any government university and will do something, and we'll figure out my future after that. I had no clarity about it. So I just joined a government university, and we all know the situation about the government universities in India. So it was just a time pass for me. I was not learning anything. I was just even memorizing the programs, the computer program, converting centigrade to Fahrenheit, and adding the notes, something like that. I was just memorizing it to clear my exam so that I could get a degree, and probably after that I will prepare some for some government exams like SSC and all, and we'll figure out something. So that was the mindset at that time because of the lack of the guidance. And probably if I would have like that kind of interest, let's say, if let's say somebody is there who guided me about this, hey, this is the domain you are working in, the computer science you are learning, right? So probably you can do this, this is the future you can look forward for. So that was the thing not available for me. So like, but fortunately in the third year I somewhere I saw like paper cutting where there was a guy and who achieved basically second rank in their exam, the UPT exam. And I thought, yep, I'm doing BSc in computer science and I have wasted my 3 years. Let's see, let's prepare for this exam. And obviously, I would have a dream to become IIT and NIT. And then I got to know about this NIMSET exam, which is all India level exam to crack the NITs. So I prepared very well for that. I was like in the third year, basically third year, I got some seriousness about it, about my future, and I did my part, and I did a lot of hard work for that, and got All India rank 43, got NIT Allahabad, and now actual journey started for me because as I said, I wasted my 3 years. I was zero, or you can say even in the minus in the knowledge of computer science. uh, so and in the NITs you can even imagine, guys, like I was going for the masters. So you can even, obviously there were few peoples like me. They also had the same situation, but like most of them, like they whatever kind of graduation they did, they, let's say BSc, and we all know the culture of the studies in the Delhi NCR side or in the south. It is good. Like even if you go for the BC or BSc computer science, it is really really good, right? So that kind of people were there. So it was like a very very demotivating for me that how would I compete with them. So but then I realized like I had made my way. Now it's my responsibility to run after my dreams. I cannot like easily give up here. So I did that. I learned from my peers. I learned from my juniors as well. Like I was in my MCA, and there were people who were in BTech first year and second year. They were very very good in programming and all. So I used to knock their door at night to learn programming, coding from them, how competitive programming was. So that kind of thing I followed there. I had a dream to become a part of tech giant, but unfortunately it didn't happen at that time. I got rejected by Amazon in the campus placements. Even in the first starting 7 companies I want was even not able to crack their return round, and the eighth company was Opera Solutions. Somehow I cracked the return round, and that one chance I was just needed. I know that compensation was not that good, but I know uh, the freshers have this kind of mindset. I have seen few freshers, they, let's say, they are not able to crack the tech giants at the very very initial step. They probably think this is the end of their dreams and life, and they do not even consider these mid-sized companies. They think like they're nothing. So To be very honest, guys, like you are definitely wrong. Like there are good companies, even they are doing such a wonderful work in comparison with these tech giants, and you will get to know about it when you will enter into the IT industry. So the quote is very very correct, that don't judge a book by its cover. First get into it and figure out yourself what kind of interest you have. Even in the initial phase, if your compensation is not that good, so it doesn't matter. Gain a good skill sets, get a good industrial experience, at least for 1 hour, 1.5 years, and then like industry is open for you. After that, it is all about the skill sets.
So the key points that I have taken is that it's never late to, be serious with your career. You wasted 3 years,
Yeah.
but you still worked hard and got into NIT, and you failed to crack a tech giant, but you still managed to get into a decent company. And from there, few years later, you were able to, get into the tech giant like Amazon, and even one of the best consultancy company like McKinsey and company. So it's something really to get inspiration from, that you started from not so good situation, but you really
Yeah.
worked your way up, and you are doing an amazing work, spreading the knowledge, and working at such a great company. So I hope everyone takes inspiration from Mr. Shashank, that it's never too late, and you should never feel sad about the things that you have failed. You can always work hard and achieve success. So
Yep,
uh,
yep.
yeah,
Like you should follow, like someone should follow the never give up attitude.
right.
Things may take some time, but definitely if you are eager for your, or you are basically chasing your dreams constantly, then definitely you will achieve it someday.
Right.